Awareness. If you are dissatisfied with the conditions of life, there is no possible way of changing them, unless you first change the state from which you view the world, for the state from which a man observes the world, determines the world that man describes. What is awareness? It is that portion of mental state not directly within the focus of consciousness, but capable of being called into such focus by the proper stimulus. Our mental scientists, psychiatrists and psychologists of today refer to this region as the creative power in man, that everything in man's world is determined by the activities of the subconscious mind, that man himself has absolutely no control over the activities of this region, unless he first gets into a relationship with it. For here is a region that they call the subconscious, or unconscious, but they claim for it a creative power that molds the outer world in harmony with the inner arrangement of itself. Any modification in the internal structure of this deep region results in corresponding changes in the outer objective world. What is it that you are manifesting?